Question 6. So remember, factorising means putting the brackets back in, and when we have a quadratic with something with an x squared and 3 terms, that means a pair of brackets. So we have an x and an x here, because obviously x times x gives us the x squared. How do we work out these magic numbers? Well, we have to do this. We consider the two numbers which multiply together give you this number on the end, the 8, but at the same time add to give you the number in front of the x, the 6. So what two numbers multiply together give you 8 but add to make 6? Well, that's 2 and 4. So this factorises x plus 2, x plus 4. Now we can then use this factorising method to help us solve. So notice how this is very similar. It's the same left-hand side equaling 0. So we know this factorised is x plus 2, x plus 4. So we can solve x plus 2, x plus 4 equaling 0. Now two things together being 0 when they're multiplied, well, nothing times whatever is nothing. So what number makes this first bracket 0? What number for x? Well, that's x being minus 2. Equally, what value for x would make this whole bracket 0? Well, that's x being minus 4. So our two solutions are minus 2 and minus 4. Clearly, the pattern is that the solutions are the opposite sign to our magic numbers. Question 7. So same idea as with question 6, but just slightly trickier as we've got minuses involved. What two numbers multiplied together make minus 18 but add to make minus 3? Well, that's 3 and minus 6. So x plus 3, x minus 6 is the factor is when we factorised it. That's got to equal 0. So our actual solutions are minus 3 and plus 6. Question 8. Now here we are not able to factorise. We can tell that because we're told that we've got to give our answers correct to 3 significant figures. In other words, we know we're going to be going to decimals. So another way to solve a quadratic equation is to use the formula. Now this is given, you just need to be able to use it. Okay. Now they're telling you that a is the number in front of x squared, b is the number in front of x, and c is the number on the end. So in other words, a is 1, b is 8, and c is 2. So we just substitute these into the given formula. So that gives us this, which simplifies to this, and getting our calculator out, we get these two solutions. Question 9. So same idea, a is 1, b is 3, c is minus 5. We substitute in and we get these two solutions.